On today's body cam, we're checking out Target shoplifter thinks she can steal without consequences.
2023, officers responded to a habitual shoplifter at Target who had stolen from the store 8 times before. She was caught shoplifting again and greeted by officers upon exiting.
So you're identified as somebody from this store who has that history of shoplifting here. Today you were seen for a while, possibly concealing items to include clothing, jewelry, some other items. You saw the self-checkout, and they wanted me to get you identified so that they can prosecute you for the other incidents, and they wanted to know if you concealed any other items. Okay. Would you be willing to look to open up your purse just so I can see you didn't conceal anything? So there's items with Target tags on those.
I came in there with that.
What's that?
I came in there with that.
And just so you know, our body cams are on, so you're being recorded.
No,
She has what looks like underwear or some sort of underwear.
Yeah, so it looks like an underwear, jewelry, and like a pair of shoes.
I don't have no shoes.
Shoes about the jewelry.
Jewelry? I've been in here with this.
So every single one of those things has tags on them.
Okay.
And when they go back through, that's a lot of jewelry.
Alright, well, you can have this.
Have it?
That's what I saw actually. That's ours. Alright.
Well, I'm not going to go to jail. Please.
So right now you're under arrest for theft.
For what?
For theft, I just explained.
She done tried to take off on her, man. I don't know. I don't think she gonna get away, man. But listen, cops don't like to run, man. So that's the worst. That's the worst thing you should do. Why would you even stop to talk to him when you know you're caught red-handed? You still have everything on you. You're cooked, man. Fried, deep fried.
No, stop.
No, get off! Stop! No, please get off of me! Get off of me!
Absolutely does not have to. You broke my watch.
Oh
That's
my
rude.
gosh, please get off of me.
Hey, put your hands behind your back. You're under
please
arrest.
Get off. For what?
You're under arrest for theft, just like I told you before.
What? Okay, let me get up. Let me get up.
No, lay down.
Can I
Lay
get
down.
up?
Put your hands behind your back.
Can I get up,
Hands
please?
behind your back.
Can I get up, please?
Hey, stop pulling your hands away.
Hey, let me get up. Can I please get up?
No.
No.
Why?
Listen.
Can I please get up?
Listen. The more you resist,
No,
the more
wait.
things I do
I'm
that's
not
going to
trying
hurt.
to go to jail. Stop.
Stop resisting. As soon as you stop resisting, we can get you in handcuffs.
God.
Come and bring it
Get you
to
up,
the
right?
low back.
I'm not trying to go to jail. I'm not trying to go to jail.
Well, you just chose it today. 1 King 2-5, 1 in custody. We'll take 6 King and fire to do an eval.
Fuck. Oh, my leg.
Damn, the way my boy called that out, it's like ordering at McDonald's or something. Yeah, 1 in custody. We'll take a number 2 on the side of a 6 watches. We're like, damn, what type of we got a number 2 with a side of act right, you know what I mean?
Sit up.
Nope, keep your feet out.
Sir, I'm not trying to go to jail. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to go to jail, though.
You should have thought about that before you run. I'm
sorry.
reasonable. I could have cited you and released you.
Please,
You
man.
started this.
I'm so sorry.
Now you're under arrest for obstruction as well for trying to run from us.
I'm so sorry.
Take a step to your left. Separate your feet.
Please.
I don't want you to kick my partner. If you do, you're going to get an assault on officer charge,
No,
too.
I'm not going to quit.
I love when they always say that. Well, we could have did this and did that. You already told her that she was under arrest. So you was not going to cite and release her. Like, you already said that.
Please, let me go, please.
All right, let's walk to the police car.
I apologize. I'm so sorry.
I think the throwing of the Pepsi on me was not necessary.
I know. I'm so sorry. I really do apologize. Like, can you please let me go?
No.
I just got out of jail. Oh, my God.
And so they ain't gonna miss you. They go, as soon as you go back to the county, they go be like, damn girl, where you been at? How was it?
Oh, my God.
Put that on my
I just got out of jail.
You can go to your deal.
Got out of jail.
All right, separate your feet. Look at the car. Do you want to grab my APHIS scanner, too?
Are you going to give us a good name? You sure?
being recorded on my body cam, as well as my partner's body cam. So, what I'm going to do is first we're going to grab your index fingers, just to make sure you provide us a real name, okay?
What were you in jail for before?
Because I had 2 old warrants that I just squashed.
And what were those for?
A DUI and a trespassing, Motel 6.
Okay.
Alright, so this is going to be the back of my hand. I'm going to pat you down and make sure you have any weapons on you. Before I do that, can you tell me if you have any sharp, dangerous, picture, hazardous, needles, bazookas, guns? Okay, back of my hand.
I'm trying to go to jail.
Yeah, you have tried to establish that.
Oh my God.
Okay, this is the back of my hand here.
What's your
Anything else secreted on you?
What's your first name?
Twa.
Twa? Okay, Twa. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer, have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of the rights I've explained to you? Can you say it louder, please?
Yes, I understand.
Having your rights in mind, do you want to talk to me now?
Yes, I don't want to go to jail. Please,
What was going on inside?
apologize.
You concealed all of those items that you offered to give back?
Yes.
Okay. Why?
Oh, because I don't want to go to jail.
No, I'm saying you concealed them in the store. Did you have any intention of paying for them?
I was at first, but then I didn't because I didn't have enough money for them.
Okay. So when you put all of those items in the bag, you were knowingly concealing them. And when you walked out the door with those items in your bag, you knew you didn't pay for them, you knew you stole them. Is that about right?
Yes.
Okay. So why come in here to steal?
Because I don't have the money for it. I don't know. I don't have the money for it.
Do you have a job?
No.
Can you get a job?
Yes.
Okay. Why don't you do that? Instead of coming into Target trying to steal, why don't you come into Target and ask for work?
Okay, yeah, I'm going to be stuck out here.
I know it's not always that easy, but
Listen, you can't hit them with common sense questions like that. Like you can't. I don't have the money for it. Okay. Well, can you work? Do you have a job? No. Can you work? Yes. So why not just come in here and ask for a job application? Like, listen, you can't. That's common sense now. You can't speak that to some of these people, man.
sometimes it is. All these businesses around here are trying to recover from COVID, so everybody's got a hiring sign up. Do you have a drug problem you're maybe paying for with these drugs or with these stolen items?
Yes.
Okay. What's the going rate now for like underwear and jewelry and stuff, or was that for your own personal use?
The underwear was my own personal use.
And then what are you getting for jewelry these
The
days?
jewelry, I was going to sell it to somebody for them to buy it for my drug habits.
How many blues are you getting for like a piece of jewelry?
Like one.
Just one?
Yeah.
Where are you getting that at?
From somebody that I know. Please, I just got out of jail. I'm not trying to go back to jail. You guys can.
So when I was standing there talking to you about it, and you're like, I don't want to go back to jail, and I say, yeah, you are under arrest. I can always arrest you, and then you and I have this conversation, and then I say, hey, I'm going to let you go since you were cooperative in this and that, but you showed you weren't going to be cooperative when you ran, and then you threw a soda at me.
Sorry, I apologize.
Now I literally washed my uniform last night. Now I have soda all over me.
I'm so sorry. I'm not trying to go to jail. Please. You guys can trespass me free here. I won't come back here.
Yeah, you know, he just washed the uniform last night, man. You know, come on, man. You got to get a couple of wears out of the uniform. You can't put a fresh one on every day.
So you're getting that too. You're trespassed from Target for life. Can never come back.
Okay.
They also have 8 other cases that I'm going to look at the footage of. So far, what they said was the total that you have stolen from this store is between $1,500 and $2,000. So if that's the case, then we're looking at possible felony charges for organized retail theft, depending on how the prosecutor wants to handle it. Or each one of those days is a separate theft charge. Okay.
Go through her bag and see what other stuff is in there for
I have
receipt.
a dollar amount for everything else that she concealed.
So far?
Yeah, so far.
Can somebody pull video to show that whole incident plus us taking her
Yep,
down?
yep, I'll be able to have all of that. Cool.
Please, I'm not trying to hurt you.
Okay. Okay, slide your foot in there for me, okay?
Please, I'm not trying
I gotta talk to my partner, my sergeant.
All the way over, okay?
I'm not trying to go to jail.
And then give me a second and I'll... Here, lean back. And I'm gonna make sure I got some AC blowing back here, okay?
If it had been Coke, I'd have been really mad because you don't waste good Coke.
I know you're a coke guy, got it.
The woman was charged with shoplifting, assault, possession of stolen property, resisting arrest, and drug possession. Additionally, she received a permanent trespass from all target locations. Feel free to share your